Laban natin guys. Kasi sa malayo na eh. Kala ni Recto siya lang marunong manghuli din eh. Sabi nito. Ha? Siyempre ah. Patalay blabber black ay minum ta. Wato ber minum ta. Di best tupad ko tiyo kasi magchismis lang tanga duwa. Okay, so not bad nga guys. Merry Christmas guys. Yung isa natin guys naputol. Isa oh. Dito tayo ngayon sa mga bata ngayon nagbabarbecue sila. Okay, so yun, laki oh. The first one already cut my line. Good size, good size, good size. See? Mayroon tayong nakastampay nga video guys. Hindi natin na-load. At least meron man tayong kuha na ngayon guys. Oh. Size guys. Doon sa dulo guys. See? Guys. Size. Mama. Tatago pa sad guys oh. Lanya. Alding the cross. Yan. Continue on that guys. Alright. At least karon tayo guys. Guys, good afternoon guys oh. I'm using the meat of the spirit guys. Because my bread already short. Because we have a Christmas party this family and invite me to eat. And then I have a small spirit meat. See, look at guys, accurate guys, the spirit. See, very easy to cut using the spirit meat. Enjoy lang guys. Thank you for this family, ma'am. Merry Christmas and thank you very much for your lunch. Alright, continue natin guys ha. Accurate yung spirit meat guys oh. Yung isa dun oh. Hindi ko tinapay pero wala siyang technique. Alright, continue natin guys. So guys, I teaching these kids. He already catching 2 pieces guys. See? But only playing. And thank you this family for Christmas. This you have free lunch for me guys. By the way, this is it. Merry Christmas. Time to go home guys. This mayroon hindi tayo na zero guys. Inuuli natin guys oh. Sometime I'm lazy to making video already guys. At least it's okay. Still have. Alright. Sama ko na to sa nakarangong video isa guys. God bless guys. I love you guys. See you soon. Maybe tomorrow again. Because I already came late. Yeah. Okay. I using also the meat guarantee. Accurate to guys. Alright, contest lang. Merry Christmas guys. Is it? Catching again guys. Huh? Yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year guys. Christmas fishing. Alright. Alright. Dito tayo guys sa mga mama dito guys. Look. Wow. Good morning mama. Merry Christmas mama. Enjoy. Mama in the sea. Alright. This is Papa Joe guys. Continuous guys. Ooh, and another one. In Papa in the sea. Let's go Papa in the sea. Guys, oh, look, may big hiningal ako guys. Come on, guys, I wish talakito guys, talakito guys, we stop. Oh, guys, come on. Come on. Hingal ko guys. Come on. Oh, talakitok nisol guys. Come on. I know you're tired. Oh. Come on. Come on, Papa Jerry. Fight. Fight the big pies. Fight. Guys. Naputol. Guys. I stop first I stop. Alright guys. Oh. Cannot zoom guys. Whew. Maybe 12 o'clock guys. You see it, I take the video, I cut guys, because very hard, right? Very hard to take it that one, but I threw another side, it's very far. That's why I threw this side close to me guys, and see big mama. Long time guys I don't catching this one guys. This is the first time I catching now guys. Big mama guys. Yeah, honest to goodness you guys. I felt like maybe like 50 minutes or 20 minutes guys. This is a big mama guys. And thank you I catching this one for my Christmas. And I'm sorry for him too. Right? Because I catching this big mama guys. Look at this my spot guys. Look at my spot. See, this is my spot guys. Look at me first my catching already guys before I catching this big mama guys. I'm not lying to you guys. Look at my catch guys. This is only the cage guys. Using for the bait some this one to catching to see big mama guys. Yeah, but I'm tired to catching that one. I'm lucky I actual that one to catch the big mama guys. Mr. B, yeah, see that? But I still continues guys, and then I want to another using the live bait again guys. See, look, that's the one, guys. That's the one my stand. And look at my big mama guys. Look at tang tarang tataran tataran. See? See? Sorry mama, I got you now mama. See? Wow, my wife is very happy this one for my Christmas to the guys. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, I'm sorry, Mama. I'm so good to you. I love you very much, but I'm sorry for you. Okay? At least now, I make sure this big Mama I catch, guys. See, almost take out the mouth. Look out the poke my mouth. Yeah, I'm lucky. Yeah, I don't lose it for him. Alright, let's go guys, continue fishing guys. I love you guys. Woohoo! Alright, let's go sige guys. Big Mama, Big Mama, Big Mama. Right? Make short video guys. This is I catching today over 50 pieces of maputi and very big fibre. See, look. Tananan, tananan. Alright, this is it. See? Alright guys, if you have time, come to my spot and try catching this big size guys. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Love you.